Hello everyone. Now we're gonna do consonants, but before that, we're gonna revise the vowels. Let's come and revise like vowels. Tell me what is the first vowel? Oh, what is the second vowel? Ah, what's the third vowel? E. Next one, E. Next one, O. U. A. I. O. Ow. Un. Uh-huh. Re. So one more time. So if I say first one is I, E, U, U, E, I, O, Ow, An, Re. One more time. A, A, E, E, U, U, E, I, O, Ow, An, Re. So I hope you practiced well and try to memorize it and try to practice it often because vowels are main to learn reading and writing and also all the aspects are very important. So I hope you practice well. So let's come to the Velar consonants now. So consonants. So consonants has different types of consonants. So in Hindi, consonants is bifurcated according to their tongue movement. So it's very important to learn the tongue movement. So first consonant we're gonna learn is velar consonant. So in this consonant, the tongue placement is produced by back of the tongue against the soft palate. So if I say this is the tongue, okay. So the first front part is called like the front of the tongue, and the back part is called back of the tongue. And palatal is nothing but roof of the tongue. If I say the upper part, the roof of the tongue, like where you kind of place your tongue when you're sleeping, like that. So that's the roof of your tongue. So this consonant is more understandable with the letter. So let's do the letter first, and then we're gonna understand what's the sound. So before that, there is a note that all the consonant has the base of a vowel. So all the consonant has a base of a vowel means like all the consonant has a sounding. You will know like as we're gonna do the consonants. So if you want an a vowel, we have something called as barakadi. So in barakadi we combine vowel and consonants. But before that we have to learn the consonants. So let's see like the first one. You'll get the idea if we'll do the first one. So the first one is you make a horizontal line, you make a vertical line, and you make a kind of infinity. One more time. A horizontal line, a vertical line, a infinity. A vertical line, a infinity, but not attaching. The other circle is not attaching to the line. One more time. Mhm. So this sound of this consonant is k, k. So I'll say this is unaspirated. So in whole Hindi consonant, we have a pair of unaspirated and aspirated one. So we're gonna learn what is aspirated. But this one is nothing but you don't have to do anything. It's just k, k. So you can feel that your back of a tongue is touching the roof of the tongue. So that's what the velar consonant is. So it's k, k. Okay. Let's go to the second one. Second one, you have to make two, like a swinging two and a vertical line and a circle in it. Once again, a swinging two and a vertical line and a circle in it. A swinging two, a vertical line and a circle in it. A swinging two, a vertical line and a circle in it. Let's learn the pronunciation of this. This is called k, aspirated. So in aspiration, there is like a puff of air coming out of your mouth, like k, 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 k. So you have to force some air out of your mouth to say this consonant. So it's k, 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 k. So I'll say the first one is k and the second one is k. The first one is k, the second one is k, 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 k. So I think you got the difference, but as we gonna move forward, there are a lot of other consonant has the same example like this. So I guess you'll understand it more. But the aspiration of the consonant is very important in Hindi language. So let's go to the next one. So next one is you make a horizontal line, you make a six, and you make a vertical line. Let's go do it once again together. You make a six, you make a vertical line. You make a six, you make a vertical line. You make a six, you make a vertical line. So let's learn the pronunciation of this letter. This letter is called as G without aspiration, means unaspirated. So this letter is called G. G. So you can observe that like all the sounding has in it. For example, K plus K. KH plus O. K. If I say G plus O. G. So it's nothing but the base of the consonant has the sounding. So if you want any other vowel sounding, then that's called parakadi. So we're gonna learn that too. But after we learn consonants, we're gonna learn parakadi as well. So this one is go. Let's go to the next one. Next one is like you make a horizontal line, you make a reverse three, and a vertical line. Let's do together. You make a three, you make a vertical line. You make a three, you make a vertical line. You make a three, you make a vertical line. I hope you wrote it down in your book. So let's learn the pronunciation. So the pronunciation of this letter is gh, aspirated. So aspiration is nothing but a puff of air coming out of your mouth. So gh, gh, gh. So if I say the third one is g and the fourth one is gh. Third one is g and the fourth one is gh. G, gh, 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 gh. So the first one is unaspirated and the third one is unaspirated and the fourth one is aspirated. Let's move forward and do the next one. Next one is make a horizontal line and a S and a dot. Let's once again a circle and then a dot beside it. A S and a dot beside it. Once again a S and a dot beside it. If you do a loop on bottom, then it becomes a vowel. So don't put a loop and instead put a dot beside it, then it become a consonant. So let's do once again a S and a dot. So this is called ung. This is not quite used in Hindi language, but we have a nasal conjunction with this consonant. So we're gonna learn this consonant as well. So this is called ang. Ang. So, so if I say sing, ang or sang like that. Ang, ang, ang. So this is nothing but this is a nasal sound. This is not unaspirated, this is not aspirated, this is nasal. Ang, ang, ang. Mhm. So let's like summarize it. So consonant has different types of consonant depending upon the movement of the tongue. So the velar consonants are called like where like the back of the tongue is against the soft palate. So palate is nothing but roof of the tongue. So and all the consonant has the base of sounding. So so let's go like one by one. So the first one is k. The second one is h. Third one g. Fourth one gh. Fifth one ang. I hope you understand. We'll meet on the next consonant type. By then, please revise the consonant and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.